little friends, it's Abby. Today we will color Fox. Let's start coloring. I use a pink color. I color her eyes green. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Then I use an orange color. Foxes are amazing jumpers. Foxes have a bushy tail. They wrap it around them like a blanket when they sleep. Great job! Our fox looks magnificent. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye!